Hello, my name is Alexis and today we're doing this look right here, which is the March tutorial in the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda palette. Such a long name. Anyways, let me read to you what this says. March says, feeling lucky, and it's a really cute like little picture of Jared's dog Clover with a clover that says Too Faced on it, so that's pretty cute. I think the dog's name is Clover, right? Sure, maybe I'm making stuff up. Anyways, for March it says, charmed, I'm sure. Do it up like a real Southern belle would with a beat so sweet all the boys will, wow, too many L's. All the boys'll want some sugar. And sugar is spelled S-H-U-G-A-H. Sugar. Sugar. Alrighty, that's fine. Wow. I'm not sure what's, wow, there's just a lot of references to each other to make this spelling of the word sugar work. Anyways, if you want to see how I did this look with this planner for the March tutorial, then keep on watching. Base done, brows done, eyes primed, let's move on to the fun stuff. Step 1. That was the palette, that was not the planner. I don't know what's happening. Step 1. Highlight brow bone with Marshmallowed. Okay. So Marshmallowed is this one right here, which we have discussed before. Snow Day is the more white one. Marshmallowed is the more yellowy one. Like barely a bit more yellow, but they are different. So we're taking Marshmallowed on the brow bone. I usually don't like a matte highlight, but okay. Following instructions. Step 2, blend spiked cider into crease and blend upwards. Transition shades, I'm so happy. Alright, spiked cider is the one right under Marshmallowed, so it's this warm brown here. So I'm gonna put that in and above my crease. Nothing too fancy. Just like that. I'm zooming in a little more. There we go, now you can see what's going on. Just blend it in there. Easy. Alrighty, step 3 is sweep Don't Give a Fudge into crease. Alright, so that is this shade. Next one down, so we've used these first 3. So this dark brown here. And I'm just gonna put this in my crease. Easy peasy. I don't want to make this too dark, so I'm only going in with a little bit. But by all means, do this as dark as you would like. I don't want it that dark. And of course, giving everything a quick blend. Don't want any lines. Step 4 is smudge trimmed into lash line and blend onto lid. I don't like... What? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so like to have it mostly on your lash line and like faded up into the crease doesn't make any sense. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take trimmed, which is this shimmering green here. Really pretty color. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Because that doesn't make any sense. You want me to just shove it in the lash line and blend it up to the crease colors. No. No. I'm just going to push this all over the lid. See, look at how pretty this color is. This is such a nice color. And then blend the edges where it meets the crease. Just like that. See, that's so pretty. I love this color. The next step is a highlighting step, so that's all the steps that I have like written down here. All the instructions I have has nothing about the lower lash line, anything. That bothers me so much. Tell me what to do with my lower lash line. So I'm just going to put trimmed on the lower lash line also, because it's so pretty and I want it everywhere. I'm going to just drag this, whoops, in my eye, all the way across. The amount of times I stab myself in the eye when I'm doing makeup is ridiculous. Anyways, all the way across, and I'm going to blend these edges. I'm also going to take some of Marshmallowed, the brow bone highlight shade, and put that in my inner corner. Because there's nothing in there and I don't like it. Especially with a smoky eye, I feel like you need a little bit of something in the inner corner. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that in there. And then that's it for the eyeshadow. This next stuff I'm going to do off camera. I'm going to put, where is it? Black liner in my tight line and my waterline. I wish I had a green liner. No, I have a teal one. If I had green, I would put green in the lash line, but I don't. So I'm just going to put black in there, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be back. So here are the eyes done. Makes my eyes look really brown with this green. I'm liking it. So let's finish off the face. I'm going to contour with my Kevyn Sculpting powder and just give myself a little bit of cheekbone. Just a smidgen of cheekbone. Just kidding, I'm going to really give myself a cheekbone. I got a smoky eye on, I gotta have a lot of cheekbone. Using Chocolate Soleil to bronze, and I'm using like a freestanding, I almost said like a singular Chocolate Soleil and not the one that's in the palette because it doesn't say to use that. So I'm going to use actual Chocolate Soleil. For blush, I'm going to use Mood Exposure from Hourglass. A nice like nothing kind of blush. And then the last step is to apply #blessed down the nose and cheekbones. So basically just highlight with #blessed, which is this one, which is the highlighter. Oh, who would have guessed it? The highlighter in here is really pretty. So cheekbone, I'm gonna go up and around my brow. See, look how pretty that is. Down the nose. And I'm gonna pile it onto my cupid's bow. Just throw it on there. If Zeus can't see me, I didn't do it right. Okay, that's a lot. Wow, Zeus can definitely see me. Anyway, moving on. Again, nothing about a lip, which also annoys me. She's wearing just, the face chart just has like a nude lip on. It's not a pinky nude, it's not a peachy nude, it's just a basic like brownish nude. So I'm going to use Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. This is obviously the lipstick version and not the liquid lipstick version. Ow! Ooh, I hit my elbow with my mirror. Anyways, I'm using the regular lipstick version instead of the liquid lipstick because my lips are a little dry at the moment, so let's not put anything dry on them. So here's the finished look for the March tutorial and the Too Faced, what is this called again? Boss Lady Beauty Agenda. Such a long name. Anyways, I really like it. Definitely St. Patrick's Day. I see where they were going with this look. Great for brown eyes. As you can tell, my eyes are hazel, but because of the green in here, it really brings out the brown more. So if you have brown eyes or hazel leaning brown, definitely a good look for you. Like green in general is a good look. So yeah, I'm really liking this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want to say my old outro again, so I'm just going to say goodbye to you. Bye!